What's good, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, I'm basically just gonna be showing y'all how I made $800 today on SPY. I'm up 3% today overall, but I did make $800 on SPY. I made some bread on SPX, but I'm going to hop on the chart and break down and show you guys how I specifically did that. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe because I drop value every video, and I kind of just help you become a better trader, better entrepreneur, and just give out the game. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, make sure you hit the like button because it helps this video get reached out to people that interested in trading and watching people do it daily. Now if you do trade, you're unprofitable, or you just want to be a part of a Discord community, I have a Signals community where I give out all my trades. I trade live Monday through Friday every single day. I trade full time, and I've been doing this for 8 years, going on 9 years this year. So with that being said, I am gonna stay tuned because I want to hop on the chart and break down and show you guys how I made $800 on SPY today. And yeah, so welcome back to another video. So the stock market is closed tomorrow, and I can't make no money tomorrow, which is I got a setup that looks A+. I mean, like, probably would make a lot, but I'm praying and hoping that the setup don't leave me or move without me, because I was in the trade today that I got shaken out of. I was in a swing trade position on SPY, and it went up like 50%, but I didn't take the profits because it's a swing trade. You know, you got the swing trade, you let the trade go overnight, a couple of days, however long the swing trade is, right? So I took the trade and I was up nice on it. I'm talking about good, but and it looks like it's gonna drop overnight, but I'm not trading. I don't trade at night. And the market's closed tomorrow, but I think futures are gonna be open, but stocks are closed tomorrow, so I won't be able to take my SPY trade that I have planned. And I'm just praying and hoping the market don't go too crazy overnight, because I'll be back Friday, and I'll probably take a position on Friday. But I'm hoping and praying it don't happen tomorrow. But it looks like it's about to come down. But I'm gonna hop on the chart and show y'all. So I'm interested to know, like, how long some of y'all been trading. If you new, I appreciate you first and foremost. But let me know down in the comments, like, how long have you been trading? Like, I'm interested in knowing, like, how long you've been trading. Because I know some people get profitable, can get profitable within a year. You know what I'm saying? Some, it takes them a couple years if they don't go down the right path first. Going down the right path is super important as a trader, because you can waste so much time, man. It took me 2 years to be profitable. You can waste so much time just trying to learn the skill, because learning, you're losing. When you're learning, you're also losing money. You know what I'm saying? You're learning how to be profitable, but during that time, you're losing money, because you're going to trade. You're going to test it out. You ain't going to paper trade. I never paper traded, and that's why I lost so much in the beginning, because I never paper traded. Like, I was ready to make money. I quit my job. I needed to make money. You know what I'm saying? And that's a bad way to start, because you will lose money on that path. Best way to start is keep your job, keep your income coming, and then start trading, and then, like, try to build that consistency, knowing you already have the money that you have over here is secure. You know what I'm saying? You don't got to worry about it. The money you trade with, you also don't have to worry about that either, because that's, that you can lose it. So now you're trading with it with the thought of, I know I can lose it. You know what I'm saying? If you try doing that with money that you can't lose, it's over with for you. Real shit. I'm just saying. That's one of the worst things you can do, is try to trade with money that you know you need. Why? Because you're gonna be emotionally tied. You're gonna be emotionally tied to that money. You know what I'm saying? So the moment you see any drawdown, think about it this way, and this is real shit. Real shit, no cap. The moment you see any type of drawdown, right, you're gonna be like, fuck, let me cut this trade. And you're gonna sell it for a loss. You still gonna keep trading, or you're gonna take another trade soon as you see drawdown. Fuck, I'm gonna cut this shit because I can't be losing this shit. That's another loss. Okay, take another trade. You go green on it, but you hold on to it because you're trying to get back the 2 losses you just took. So you try to hold it, right? It goes green. You don't take the profits because you want more. It goes green. Boom. Then it comes back to 0. Then you're like, fuck. Then you wait for it to go red. Then you close it again. Now that's another loss. You know what I'm saying? Do not trade with money that you know you need, bro. Listen, do not do it. I've been there. I've done that. And I know how bad it can go. You know what I'm saying? So don't trade with money you know you need, especially if you have no other income. Don't even trade, really. You want to have income coming in that's going to stabilize your losses. Because if you don't, emotions are a motherfucker, and it's going to fuck you up. Let's hop on these charts, and let me show y'all these trades that I took today. All right, y'all, man. So we on charts now. If you look at this is kind of my little layout here. Now one reason, so I ended up catching this move, as y'all can see. Now I did try this. I took this trade like twice. So let me show you the first entry though. So the first entry on this trade, I ended up going long on this dip here. All right. So I went long on this dip here. I had about a 1-to-1 RR, and I got stop hunted. So my stop was like 587.40. It was about a 2-to-1 RR. Well, actually, it was like a 3-to-1 RR trade if it would have hit my TP. But as soon as I got into the trade, it went slightly green and then it reversed on me. And we can zoom in a little bit here. So, like I said, this first trade here we got in. I signaled this to the Discord as well. It went green, but then it came and stopped hunting us. Right. So as soon as I noticed that we had got stop hunted, I got in again. All right. So this actually wasn't after this box here is not in the right place. So this was the first trade here, this first box. We got into that trade and then we got stop hunted. Right. Hit our stop. Boom. But once I seen that was a stop hunt, we bounced off this order block here. I was like, ah, fuck it, stop hunting us, right? So we got back in this trade, same trade on a dip. It was on this dip here. We got back in on it off the 9 EMA, and our stop was kind of below that same level because typically after a shakeout, price doesn't come back to that level. And I was targeting this pre-market resistance, as you see here, this pre-market resistance here at this high here. So we were targeting this here, right? So we got back in on the trade. We got back in on the trade on this dip and slowly took us green, pulled back, and boom, rallied right towards the target. Now, like I said, I was live when I signaled this trade. I was live when I signaled this trade, and we made some pretty good money on it. You know what I mean? So can't complain. I think I already posted the screenshot, but I'll probably put it up here on the screen as well. Now I was up a lot more today. I ended up catching this sell-off here. So this is where I added my swing trade here, and it took me up like 50% on like a week expiration, and it ended up coming down towards this low, trapping these lows here, and then it ended up V-shaping all the way back to this high. So I'm like, wow, come on, bro. So I ended up giving some profits back on SPY, and now if you look at it, we're kind of slowly edging our way back down. But I guess I'll wait to enter those swing trades maybe Friday, if it doesn't dump before Friday. The markets are closed tomorrow. So if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in joining the Discord live every day, here you can see all the people that made money with me. I took it all. I was down 500. Now I'm up 300. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? And then she said, I'm up 300. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? This is after being down on the day. You know what I'm saying? I caught it. I was down. Now I'm up. I'm up. I'm up. Have a good one. You know what I'm saying? This is what we do. You know what I'm saying? We print. Now I can go day after day after day after day after day after day. We print, man. You know what I'm saying? So if you ain't trading with us, if you ain't passing your evaluations with us, if you ain't getting payouts with us, what the fuck are you doing? Come on, man. We do this shit. You know what I mean? So other than that, man, appreciate y'all watching. Not too much of a vlog today, just a breakdown of how I made $800 today trading SPY. Catch y'all on the next one.